If you're shopping Prime Day and trying to decide between the Mova V50 Ultra Complete and the new Mova Mobius 60, this comparison is for you. Both are premium robot vacuum and mop combos packed with flagship features, but there are some important differences that may help determine which model is the better fit for your home. Special thanks to Mova for sponsoring today's video. During the Prime Day promotion, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is available for $659, while the Mova Mobius 60 is priced at $1,099. That's a significant price difference, so let's break down exactly what each model offers. As always, pricing can change at any time, so be sure to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest details. Starting with their core features, both robots include Mova's zero hair tangling system with Turbo Wave technology and the Duo Solution system, which uses separate cleaning solutions for floor and pet areas. Both are designed to provide a highly automated cleaning experience while reducing maintenance. Navigation is one of the key features between these two models. The V50 Ultra Complete uses FlexScope navigation with an LDS system that can raise and lower as needed. The Mobius 60 upgrades to a retractable DTOF navigation system, giving it a more advanced approach to mapping and obstacle handling. Vacuuming performance is another major differentiator. The V50 Ultra Complete delivers an impressive 24,000 pascals of suction power, while the Mobius 60 increases that to a class-leading 30,000 pascals, providing additional cleaning power for carpets, pet hair, and embedded debris. For mopping, both robots spin their mop pads at 260 RPM, but the Mobius 60 applies greater scrubbing force with 12 newtons of downward pressure compared to 8 newtons on the V50 Ultra Complete. The Mobius 60 also features Mova's industry-first auto mop swapping system, allowing it to automatically adapt its cleaning approach based on the task at hand. Obstacle crossing is another area where the Mobius 60 pushes the limits. The V50 Ultra Complete features Stepmaster technology and can cross standard thresholds up to 4.2 centimeters or about 1.65 inches, and double layer thresholds up to 6 centimeters or 2.36 inches. The Mobius 60 goes even further with liftable navigation that enables crossing standard thresholds up to 5 centimeters or 1.97 inches, and double layer thresholds up to 8 centimeters or 3.15 inches. When it comes to mop maintenance, both robots feature 140 Fahrenheit hot air drying and can completely dry their mop pads in as little as 1 hour. However, the Mobius 60 again takes the lead in washing performance. The V50 Ultra Complete washes its mops with 176 Fahrenheit hot water, while the Mobius 60 increases that to 212 Fahrenheit for even more thorough mop cleaning. Battery life is identical between the two models, with both using a large 6400 mAh battery designed to support extended cleaning sessions. So, which one should you buy this Prime Day? The Mova V50 Ultra Complete offers an impressive balance of flagship features and value, including 24,000 pascal suction, Stepmaster obstacle crossing up to 6 centimeters, FlexScope navigation, 176 Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, zero hair tangling technology, and the Duo Solution cleaning system. The Mova Mobius 60 is designed for buyers who want Mova's most advanced technology. It adds 30,000 pascal suction, an industry-first auto mop switching system, stronger 12 Newton mop pressure, retractable DTOF navigation, superior obstacle crossing capabilities up to 8 centimeters, and hotter 212 Fahrenheit mop washing. If you're looking for the best value in a premium robot vacuum and mop, the V50 Ultra Complete delivers an impressive feature set for the price. If you want Mova's most advanced cleaning technology, strongest suction, best obstacle handling, and most capable mopping system, the Mobius 60 is the flagship model to consider this Prime Day.